Namaste, dear learners. Welcome to this session on awarding certificate for online quiz. In last session, we have discussed how to create an online quiz by using a Google form. So at the end of this session, the learners will be able to create a certificates and award these certificates automatically to the students or exam taker. So just think on this question. Pause the video for a while and try to get the answer of this question. What are the different types of questions are available in Google Quiz? I think you have got an answer. Answer is there are different types of questions we can add in Google Quiz, such as short answer type of question, long answer type of question, that is paragraph, MCQ, checkbox, drop down, multiple choice grid, and etc. So let's see how to award a certificate to the exam takers, and this will be automatically. For that purpose, we require an add-on for Google Form, that is Certify M. The Certify M is helpful to build an online exam which enables us to email a custom PDF or image certificates to the learners. It includes a certificate templates, or you can able to design your own templates. All the exams and certificate records are saved in Gmail or G Suite accounts. The Certify EM is a free add-on available for Google Form or Google Quiz. But there is limit for free version. Daily we can able to send certificates to only 100 exam takers. If you have a license for G Suite, then you can able to send a mail to 1500 exam takers. So this is the limits for using a free version of Certify M add-on. There are different steps that we have to follow to enable a Certify M to award the certificates. First, we have to install or enable the Certify M. Then we have to open the Certify M menu. Then add identifier questions such as full name, institute name, location, phone number, etc. Then adding exam content and questions. Already we have created the questions in last session. Then there is options for the teachers to choose a passing percentage. Then you have to select a certificate template. Then on the certification. Then you can able to adjust the Google form or quiz setting. You can able to get a quiz record from response sheet, or you can able to see the certificate records in Certify M. So let's see how to install the Certify M. You have to go to the home page of Certify M. Then click on Try it now. Then click on add-on page to install the Certify M. So just click on install. Then click on continue to get ready to install. Then select your Gmail account. This is the one of the requirement that to use a Certify M add-on you must require a Gmail account. Then scroll down and click on allow. So Certify M has been installed. Where to find Certify M? You have to just go to your Google form, those you have prepared and just refresh the page after installing Certify M. Once you refresh the page, just observe the setting bar in Google Form which are in red square. So here one add-on is added. So just click on that icon to get a list of add-on. As we have only added the Certify M add-on, so here list is Certify M. So just click on it and then click on Certify M, so it will get enabled. Once you have clicked on Get Started, the Certify M toolbar is available at right hand side. Just like this. It contains status. From here, you can turn on and turn off the certification. Next tab is Records. By clicking on it, you can able to see the records to how many exam takers got the certificates and who will not get the certificates. The Passing tab enables the teacher to choose the passing grades. Next tab is Template. Either you can use a default templates available in Certify M or you can create your own. You can preview all or you can get an email as a sample copy. Last is the advanced settings. You can explore it by clicking on Advanced. So just click on Turn On tab so that the certification is on. So certification is on, then you have to click on Link to Exam. So this Certify M add-on is linked to your online quiz. Then select a proper grade for the students who will be able to get the certificates. So just select whatever percentage you want as per your requirement. Then click on Advanced button so that you can able to do a setting for exam options and email options. Scroll down. Here the certificate options. Either you can send a certificate as a PDF type or image type. I will select an image. You can share this certificate either by email or it will be saved in Google Drive. After that, you will share that certificates to the particular exam takers. So once you have done these settings, just click on Save Changes. Then you have to use a custom template. For that, you have to develop a new template in Google Slides. PowerPoint presentation is not useful to use for a custom templates. You have to make a design of certificates in Google Slides only. Then set up your templates and merge tags. This is very important, that is merge tags. You can get a custom template link in homepage of Certify M. Firstly, you have to create a Google Slides like this. Here you can import an image also by just inserting the image option, or you can design your own. And you have to take care that while providing the certificate text, you have to use these merge tags. Merge tags are available for inserting the required information of exam taker. For example, full name. The full name of exam taker from the first question in exam following email collections. So you have to use a 2 curly brackets for inserting the required information of exam taker, such as full name, title, other identifier, dates, percentage, passing percentage and certificate ID. These list of merge tags are available on Certify M. So just provide the certificate text in such a way that you have to use a proper merge tags. That is full name, you have to write down full name in curly brackets. Then other identifier, that is location or institute of the students. Then title in curly brackets, it insert the title of your quiz automatically. Date, it will insert the date on which the exam takers has completed the exam along with percent. You can also insert a certificate ID. So full name, it should be after your email address. So first questions without answer key, without answer point should be a full name. And after that, you can also ask for the students for institute name. So it is other identifier and it should be after a full name. You have to follow the sequence. First email address, second is full name, and third one is for other identifier, that is institute name. Once you have done it, then click on template, select a drop down and click on use a custom template. The pop-up window will ask, then select a new file. It will opens our Google Drive in which our Google Slides is saved. So just select that particular design which you have prepared in Google Slides and click on select, and then click on save changes. So certificate is uploaded. Now in order to preview, you have to click on email me sample. So you will get an email of sample certificates. Here is the email and this is the sample certificates showing the name of participants along with the name of quiz with the date and percentage. So sample certificate we have seen. After that, you have to click on send options which are available on the setting bars, that is at right corner. So just click on send, then click on link, then check the shorten URL. So URL gets short, then copy this and share this link with your students. So just open that link, give the required information, solve the questions and select send me copy of response and then click on submit. Then click on view score. So students will get scores, that is total points, along with the feedback of each answers, whether it is correct or incorrect. It is very important in order to improve the understanding of students. So always remember, you have to provide a feedback for correct as well as incorrect answer. So this is the certificate which obtained on mail of students. It has a name of exam taker or students along with the other identifier, that is institute name, date, title of quiz and score. So this is how we can able to award a certificate if exam taker cross a particular percentage. You can check the responses as like in Google form you have selected the response options. If you open the control panel of Certify M, it will shows you a certificate records option. If you click on it, it will give a list of exam takers who have passed and with their certificate ID. So by observing these certificate records, the teachers enables to find out who get pass and who get fail. So this is how we can able to award a certificate automatically for online quiz by using Certify M add-on. Hopefully you have understood how to create a custom certificate and how to award a certificate to the exam taker by using Certify M add-on available for Google Form. Thank you very much. Happy learning.